A desperate and out of sorts Peggy Cele insults South Africans. Listen to this.
South Africans, ni Sodoma, ne Gomorrah. Anina inhliziyo aninanembeza ni nunu. Bathi ke kulungile siyethemba ukuthi nathi uzofika ngesikhathi kusasa sikwazi ukuthi sihambe sombeka esithembayo ukuthi uzokwazi ukubheka emuva le politiki abeyifundisa akwazi kuyifafaza kubantu abathile ngokuthi baqondise uAfrican National Congress. Yabona into ezofanele iyekwe ukulokhu sikhalela abantu abamoshwa African National Congress. Kuzofanele sibe khona siulungise noma ke sesingasala sibe bangaki. Kodwa leadership ayiphele lento yokunesa abantu abasebenzisa uAfrican National Congress ukuwela imfula abawenza ibridge kanti bangenela ukulungisa izinto zabo. Ayiphele lento yokuthi umuntu kube clear nje ukuthi akahlangene noANC ufuna ibudget yama contract. Because ileyo nto ebulale uANC ukuthi niyawubulala nini uqobolweni bese nibuya nizokhala ngezinto enaziyo ukuthi anifanele ukuzenza nezinto ekufanele enaziyo ukuthi kufanele nizenze ningazenzi. Ake sibe yileyo African National Congress esasiyiwona sibe ingcenye sibe ipulse yama communities ethu. We used to be pulse of communities. We used to walk tall. Uzibuza ukuthi abantu bayangibona yini ukuthi uANC. Today uyazibuza ukuthi yini bangibonelana ukuthi uANC. Akuzenzekelanga is because there is some of us, there are those people abasebenzisa uANC ngokubona ukuthi ibona kufanele bakhuphuke bathi masebe phezulu egqumeni balikhahlele iladi angakusakhuphuka uANC kukhuphuke bona. Kuzofanele sibuyele kuma basics. Kuzofanele ukuthi mawufuna ukuyoseva uhambe uyoseva uANC usungaseveka ke nawe. Kuzofanele abantu mabekhala bakwazi ukuthola mawukhethelwe esikhundleni sokuthi ube yileader, uyikhansela, uyimember eParliament, uMEC, uminister ukwazi ukutholakala mawumuntu weANC.
Peggy Cele was delivering an address at the Nathi Mthethwa's memorial service. The late Nathi Mthethwa, who of course is the former police minister, and coincidentally enough, when Nathi Mthethwa was the police minister, Peggy Cele was the National Police Commissioner. We know, of course, in 2018, then Peggy Cele became the police minister. Okay, so he was delivering an address at the memorial service in KwaZulu-Natal, which was organized by the African National Congress for the late Nathi Mthethwa, who we know that served as the police minister. He served as the Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture. But at the time of his death, he was South Africa's ambassador to France, was in Paris. So what act Peggy Cele? It is that the fact that South Africans have been critical of the role the late Nathi Mthethwa played in the crisis that South Africa is currently finding itself in. This is because in the Madlanga Commission, the KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, pointed out to the fact that the reason he resigned, that's Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, as the acting National Police Commissioner, it is because of the political interference by Nathi Mthethwa, who was at the time was the police minister. Then subsequent to that, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, giving testimony to the Parliament's ad hoc committee, revealed that the walls, the security wall built at Nathi Mthethwa's homestead, it is the monies that were taken from the Crime Intelligence Secret Fund. So Bheki Cele is upset that South Africans are providing critical reflection of Nathi Mthethwa's role. Of course, it is expected of the ANC leader and members, because they always insult our intelligence. They don't want us to reflect critically and honestly about their role, the role that they are playing in the mess that the country is in. So this therefore has led to Bheki Cele taking to the podium and insulting South Africans. And for this, the ANC deserves, in the next national elections, deserves to get below 20% for this. Because I think it is time we need to show them that they are not our gods. They don't control our minds. If they control the minds of their membership in the ANC, they should not be thinking that it's the same thing with the country. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebus Kosana. Please guys join to take the membership. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Thank you very much.